This is a short video tutorial where I'll show you how to convert a video so it continuously loops with a fade rather than this jolt that you get. If you watch this video, there you go, it goes back to the start and you get that very strong transition there, which is very jarring. Whereas if you want a video that just loops with that fade, it's not immediately obvious how you do this. So I'm going to show you on this tutorial video. Now I'm using Camtasia Studio. You can use whatever video editor you want because I'm sure the process will be exactly the same. It's the principle of the process. Now do watch to the end of the video as well, because I'll get a free gift if you watch through to the end, and let me know in the comments if you find this useful. So what you want to do, we've got our clip here. So this is our hero drone and it plays through the video. You get to the end, and if you just loop it, then you're going to get that jarring effect. If we just copy it and paste it on the end here, you'll see you'll get this same effect where you get to the end of the video and then you get that glitch as it goes back to the start. So how do you make that a smooth transition? Because obviously you could just fade at the end, but then you're still going to get a glitch. If we put a fade on this, you probably know the issue here. If we put a fade on that, it's still going to go down to blackness and then back in with the video. So you could put a fade back in there, but you're still going to have somewhere, as it's looping around, you're going to have this glitch. So what you do is you take that second, so you copy your first clip, you take the second one, drag it below where the fade starts and add the fade on the second clip. Now what you do is you cut the second clip so it is just the length of the fade. What you've also got to do is remove the same amount from the start, and that's the key. So when this fade has completely unfaded, it comes in at the start of this section here. So let's just move that there. Let's remove that part of the clip. So now what we have, we've taken off the first part, but this second clip here, it's still the first clip, but it's the second clip that's been trimmed, leads into the start of the main clip. So what we're going to have now is a continuous loop. So let me just process this and I'll show you what it looks like now. But again, don't forget to watch to the end. Let me have your comments. Thanksforwatching.com to go and claim your free gift. But let me just go and process this video so you can see what it looks like. So now we've got our looping video. So it's a short file. We get to the end, it fades out, fades back into the start of the loop. And that's how it looks. It looks so much better than have that jolt where it's just a straightforward cut. And there you go. I hope you found that useful. Do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you like content like this. And again, don't forget your free prize at thanksforwatching.com.